Welcome back. There is 20% water shortage in Goa. 40% water is wasted. PWD has decided to upgrade their water supply by 192 MLD through various schemes. New pipelines will be laid from Salalim to Mormugaon within next 3 months. PWD Minister Sudhin Dhavlikar has assured smooth water supply after that. Minister has even vouched for Kortali Bridge and said that current bridge is strong enough to sustain for next 4 years. By that time, a new one will be constructed.
Naturally, ह्या दिसांनी खंयच्याय स्टेटींत आमी जर गेले आसत 20% उदक हे कमी जाताच आणि त्या खातीरूच गव्हर्नमेंटाचो मेन विशय की 100 MLD उदक साउथ गोवांत वाडोवपाचें आणि 25 आणि 27 52 MLD उदक फोंडा तिसवाडी आणि ह्या सायडीन वापरपाचें परत 15 MLD उदक पेडणे तालुक्यांत वाडोवपाचें आणि 10 MLD उदक काणकोण तालुक्यांत वाडोवपाचें 15 MLD उदक शिरोडा भागांत वाडोवपाचें ठरयल्लें आसा आणि त्या शिवाय बारीक बारीक ज्यो रुरल स्किमी आसा ताज्या अंडर फॉर एक्झाम्पल शिवडे एक 3 बंधारे आमी घातल्या थंय 2 MLD उदक आमी तयार करपाचें थारायलां आतां 1 MLD ऑलरेडी जाता आता बंधारा घातल्या नंतर दुसरो MLD जे आसा ते तयार जातले आणि 2016 हे सगळे प्रश्न आमी सोडपाचो प्रयत्न करतले आमचो जो वॉटर सप्लाय आसा साधारण 500 MLD वॉटर सप्लाय आसा 500 MLDंतल्यान आमचो जवळ जवळ 40% वेस्टेज जाता ही वेस्टेज जर कंट्रोल केली जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता आमचे गोंयांत जितले पॉप्युलेशन आसा आमचे इंडस्ट्रीज आसा आणि इन्स्टिट्यूशन्स आसा तांकां उदक जाय तितलें आमचे कडेन आसा आज जवळ जवळ 60% ऑफ द वर्क ऑफ JICA इज कंप्लिटेड येता ते 3 म्हयन्यांत जे पायपलायनीचें काम आसा मेन पायपलायन फ्रॉम साळावली धरण जो मोठो रिजर्वायर बांदला तो वेर्णा आणि फ्रॉम वेर्णा टू सडा हे काम मोठ्या हाणे चालू आसा वेर्णा टू सडा हे सगळे काम पायपलायनीचे 3 म्हयन्यांत कंप्लीट करपाचो इरादो आमी दवरिल्लो आसा SN Bobe and Associates is a consultant for Zuari Bridge. We could not offer him a work order because of code of conduct. In that case, we are completing all the by end of this month, and work will be started only after placing the work order. साधारण म्हजे हेच्या प्रमाणे 1 वर्स वतले आमकां सगळे प्रोसेस कंप्लीट करून टेंडरिंग करपाक 1 वर्सा भितर आणि साधारण 3.5 वर्सां आमकां कंप्लिशनाक जाय डेफिनेशन सी सॅलिनिटी इन गोवा इज व्हेरी हाय पूण म्हाका दिसना 3-4 वर्सां ब्रिजाक कितें जाय तशें
The High Court has issued notices to Goa government, GSIDC and CCP on a petition filed against concretizing of Miramar-Donapal Road. The court has directed them to file a reply by next date of hearing, that is on Wednesday. A public interest litigation has been filed against ongoing projects on Miramar-Donapal Road, as this road was hot mixed recently in January at the cost of 1.3 crore rupees.
During the hearing on Monday, petitioner in person, Advocate Irish Rodriguez, contended that Miramar to Donapal Road, after laying of a sewage line in the middle of the road, was hot mixed in January this year at the cost of 1.3 crore rupees. But just within 3 months, it is now being again dug up to concretize the road at the cost of 72 crore rupees. Petitioner also contended that this is misuse of public funds.
I've pointed out to the court that the Miramar-Donapal Road was hot mixed in the middle of January this year, and within less than 3 months the very same road which had been hot mixed for 1.3 crores is today being dug up to concretize the road. This has been done in a total violation of law. The Corporation of City of Panjim has not been consulted. The body has not been consulted.
The petitioner in his petition has pleaded that the concretization of the road be stopped immediately and the loss incurred to the state exchequer by this illegal work be recovered from the concerned guilty officers.
So I've pointed out to the court that this is a total violation of law. This is a squandering of public funds. I have requested the court to direct that this project be stopped, and the money spent illegally on this project has to be recovered from these guilty officers. The court has directed the government, GSIDC and the CCP to file their affidavit and has adjourned the hearing to May 7th.
CCP Mayor Surendra Furtado has alleged that CCP Commissioner Sanjit Rodriguez has fraudulently issued a NOC for this project.
I have sent an urgent note from the office of the mayor to the Chief Secretary, Government of Goa, with a copy to Mr. Srivastava, who is the Urban Development Secretary. How could Mr. Sanjit Rodriguez on his own give an NOC? I know he has got the executive powers, but the executive powers he has to take into consideration only after the corporation tells him to do so.
Reporter Mukesh Kumar with video journalist Dinesh Karpe for Prudent.
Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar has taken strong cognizance of sword attack incident in Panji. He has assured residents of Kampal that there will be no interference from anybody in the sword attack probe. Chief Minister Parrikar says he will ask a senior police official to monitor the investigation on day-to-day basis. On 20th April morning, 2 Kampal youth were attacked and injured allegedly with a sword by one Zain Almeida. One of the youth has lost his eye. The incident occurred outside a pub at around 5 in early morning. Zain is currently under police custody. Police are yet to recover the sword that was used for attack. It is being alleged that there is no much headway in investigation due to alleged interference of some high-profile people in the case. On Saturday, more than 600 people had signed a memorandum demanding Chief Minister to expedite probe of the case. On Monday morning, a delegation of Kampal residents met Chief Minister Parrikar at his official residence in Altino. Chief Minister has taken strong cognizance of the case.
I have ensured them, and I myself is very determined to see that no one interferes with the investigation and the culprit is punished, because we can't tolerate this kind of thing in Panji. ती आता पळयता तांच्यांनी PI कडेन कर म्हटलां, ते कितें ते टेक्निकल तांचे कितें आसा तें पळोवन ते म्हणटा क्रायम ब्रांचे कडेन दिवं नाका म्हणून. I was thinking of giving it to crime branch, but I'll ask someone senior to monitor it on day-to-day basis. Maybe SP Crime, who has a good investigation knowledge. I'll ask him to monitor it and give it to PI or some senior.
We have just met our Honorable CM, okay, and he has given us an assurance that there will be no interference from anybody in this case, okay, especially the accused father, Mr. Steve Almeida. And we have full faith in our Honorable CM and that justice will be delivered to these 2 boys.
Devendra Gaunkar for Prudent. Feast of Milagri Sahibin was celebrated on Monday with pomp and gaiety. This is one of the popular feasts in North Goa. Both Hindus and Catholics come to pay obeisance to Our Lady of Miracles. Celebrations continue over a week. The Milagri's feast is not only a popular feast of Mapsa, but even of the entire North Goa, as people from different religions and different walks of life come to Mapsa to pray to Our Lady of Miracles. Vows are made by people seeking favors from Our Lady. These include offering candles, oil, money, parts of the human body made of wax, or even saris. Chandrasekhar Sawant for Prudent. Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.